So I personally think it will change our lives to the better in personalized interaction, so really engaging to our consumers, our customers. So once companies want to engage better with their clients and consumers and improve the customer experience. A second area certainly is that AI can help us digest a lot more information than our human brain does, and therefore it can help us take better decisions and help us do our jobs better. AI technologies will help us come to new discoveries and new insights from large amounts of data by correlating data sets, by correlating knowledge, which the human brain just cannot cope with because we are out of capacity.
AI is already providing tangible and useful impact to our day-to-day lives, whether building an impressive PowerPoint presentation very quickly or getting plain answers on Cortana or Bing queries. Researchers will be, based on AI, enabled to treat cancer more efficiently. As a part of our AI for Good initiative, we are enabling farmers to grow more food using less natural resources. AI-based systems are identifying malware faster and making our computers and Windows more secure.
With the sensors, we get more and more data out of different applications. With the different types of sensors, which are semiconductor enabled, basically we can cover different sensor areas. We need more powerful processing units. So on one hand, FPGAs, on the other hand, microprocessors or similar technologies.
What I see for the future as a technology is that we have to create hybrid systems, so where we combine neural networks to process sensor information and to combine with deep technology, deep syntax and semantics that understand concepts in the items that we process. So concepts in language and concepts in action, concepts to get all the context information, so that we have a real holistic processing.
AI provides a lot of excellent opportunities, both to companies but also to the customers of companies. So on one hand, there's a good opportunity to increase productivity or efficiency, but it's also an opportunity to use resources more efficiently. So if you look at smart cities, to think about what do you need to have lights on, when do you need to have litter boxes emptied.
So I see chances for mobility, for health, for private life, for love, for everything. Because machines will understand us better and they are companions for our life and they support us and so on. Yes, I do see risks. The point is that we have to understand better the chances and the limits of AI that we see right now.